Hey everyone, it's Matt Haviland with Keller Realty Atlantic Shore, and today we're on site at a 100-year-old home where an underground oil tank is buried right under the driveway. Whether you're a homeowner or a home buyer, this is something you'll want to pay close attention to. All right, so here's the situation. 100-year-old house. Right below me here is the driveway, and this is where the underground oil tank is. Let's take a look. So if you look closely, here's the driveway. As we head over this way, you can see this little cap right here, and this is the fill cap area where the oil tank was filled at one point. There's also a drain pipe, or excuse me, a vent pipe right here. This is the vent pipe. So because of this evidence, it's pretty clear that the tank is likely still here in the ground, but we're gonna have the professionals come and just verify that. So many older homes once used oil for heat, and the tanks were often buried underground. Over time, those tanks can rust, leak, and cause serious environmental hazards. So if you're buying a home, you wanna know if there's an underground tank before you commit. And if you're a homeowner, testing and removing an old tank now can save you thousands of dollars and prevent contamination in your soil and groundwater. Here's how the testing works. A small hole is drilled near the tank. Soil samples are pulled from around the tank at different depths, and those samples are tested to check for petroleum contamination. It's a straightforward process, but it gives you peace of mind. If contamination is found, cleanup steps can be taken right away before the problem spreads. So if the tank needs to be removed, here's what happens. First, the area is carefully excavated to expose the tank. The tank is drained, cleaned, and then lifted out of the ground. The soil underneath is checked again, and if it's clean, the area is backfilled and restored. And if you ever need help finding a company, I keep a list of trusted vendors for oil tank testing and removal. Just reach out and I'll be happy to share that with you. All right, so we just got the results back from the oil tank test, and thankfully there was no contamination. There was about 8 inches of oil and water down in the bottom of the tank, but no contamination. So just a pretty easy cleanup process, a couple $1,000s for the cleanup removal of the tank, and good news there for the homeowners on that site. If you own a home or you're planning to buy one, don't overlook underground oil tanks. Testing and removal is an investment in protecting your property, your health, and your financial future. If you have questions about buying or selling a home with an oil tank, feel free to reach out to me. And before you go, check out my next video where I talk all about New Jersey's property tax relief program and how it could save you thousands of dollars each year. You won't want to miss that one. Thanks so much for watching again, and I'll see you on the next video.